Hey guys, drdecks here. We are at Lowe's Home Improvement and we want to go in there and see what kind of holiday deals they have. So follow along, let's go see what's available and hopefully we can find some deals on some tools. Save you guys some money. All right, let's go. But first, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Simpson Strong Tie. Strong Tie makes all kinds of really cool brackets for your outdoor deck and patio cover needs. This is called Outdoor Accents, and it's a black powder coated finish and a heavy gauge steel that's used to make your critical connections of your deck or pergola. And you can use their structural screws that attach everything together with these really awesome oversized washers that is part of the system. The washer fits into this pre-drilled hole like so, and then your fastener goes straight in through that, right into the connection. Thank you, Simpson Strong Tie, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out. Now let's get back to the action. All right, guys, now we're in Lowe's and we're checking out the holiday deals. Just to be honest and to let you know, we are not sponsored by Lowe's. We came in here on our own accord. We may get kicked out at any minute, and we're doing this on our own dime. Also, we've already filmed this video once, and unfortunately it was corrupted. In both locations that we shot these videos, the displays have shrunk a little bit. So there's not all the deals that we found last week because we're a week or closer to Christmas, okay? But with that being said, let's find these deals, okay? So I'm gonna start with one that I don't know if it's really a great deal. It's a 14-piece drill bit set, but it's titanium coated. So titanium nitride coating. So usually these bits do last longer. It's $26.98, which is kind of a spendy kit. You do get the 1/2-inch bit, which is one that I always use. I burn them up pretty quick. There's a few missing. So people have been buying them, but they're not going super quick. For $19.98, you can get a 16-piece reciprocating saw blade set and a carry case. It's Dewalt quality, and you have a lot of 9/10 per inch for wood, which is what I use. Got a few metal cutting. Sometimes we have to use that as well. And then you have some 6/10 per inch and a longer, probably a 9-inch. There's two of those. So if you need some blades and you need them quick and dirty, 20 bucks, I think that's a deal because you're paying like $2.20 a piece, $2.10, something like that. Let's see what else we can find. If you're looking for tools and you like Dewalt, they do have a 7-piece tool combo kit. It's all 20-volt brushless with 2 batteries for $5.99. Gets you going. You get all these tools and then you get one free as well, or you buy one, get one free. So you buy something, you get something for free. So that's kind of a sweet deal. You can also get a 5-amp-hour battery up to a $179 value. So that's not bad. Something I think is really cool that I probably don't need, but I want, is this Impact Connect PVC PEX cutter. We are world champions at ruining sprinkler lines. And usually when we're trying to repair them, we're trying to cut it with one of those hand cutters or a Sawzall, and we break the pipe more and then we have to go back. Depends on if it's a Schedule 40 pipe, a lot of times it's not. It's like brittle, super brittle. And we just want to get the repair done so we can pour concrete around our footings or whatever. Okay, right here, here's one. They don't have a lot of them in here. I would love to take one of these and test it and see how well it does in the ground. Obviously, they're valuable because there's tons of alarms on this stuff, or they just simply have a theft problem here at Lowe's, which wouldn't surprise me. Okay, here's your $99 tools, and you get a free certain select tools with select purchase. If you need an orbital sander, you get a battery and a charger for $99. I personally have this right here. I have one of these Bluetooth speaker. You Bluetooth this up to your iPhone or phone, whatever phone you have, and it rocks. It's not a radio, it's strictly a Bluetooth speaker, but for 99 bucks and a battery and a charger, you can't go wrong. And I also have this task light right here for 99 bucks. We use it all the time. My only gripe about this is that the bigger batteries don't seem to want to stay nested in the back of this. They don't lock in and they often fall out, which can be a little bit frustrating. So maybe using the smaller batteries would work. They're saying these are $295 value. I don't know about that, but for 99 bucks, how can you really go wrong? You know, it's a deal. So I also was checking out these right angle attachments. I like to use a heavy duty one, but this one's very compact. Looks like they have a handle that goes with it for maybe different configurations, but I think I would just use this head and see how that works. And I'm trying to figure out what the difference is. Oh, one has a hex end, 1/4 inch hex end. So for sockets. So this one's for sockets, this one's for bits. Now I get it. This one's $24.98, this one's $29.98. And then there's a square drive right angle attachment. Oh, okay, so then this one's your 3/8. Huh. This one, if you run a lot of sockets and you have a 3/8 inch set and you need a good 90 to hook to a drill, that's not a bad price. 30 bucks. I'd probably do that if I needed it. If I really, really needed it. What else they got here? Different various bits, drill bits and square drives and stuff like that. 15 to 25 bucks. They're not bad. I don't know if it's worth screaming over. One thing I'll probably will stock up on, get a 5-pack of 4-inch grinding wheels for $9.98. You're paying $2 a crack at these. That's very affordable. And they have flat ones too. They have the flat ones and they have the indented ones, depending on the type of grinder you have. Both same price, 5-pack, and they're the cutting style. So I do like these, and it's always good to stock up on stuff like that. I keep all this stuff in our trailer so that we don't have to go to the home center or a lumber yard or a tool place every time we need them. We just have them there. All right, as I was walking by here, I did notice this kit. It's on sale for $25.98. Lots of goodies in here. No 1/2-inch drill bit, unfortunately. There's lots of bits, magnetic bits, things like that, magnetic nut drivers, magnetic bit holders, and they're come in 4 individual cases. So kind of a cool little deal for you. Not bad. And then one thing I really liked, I like this one too, for $17.98. This is all impact ready stuff. You get 3 magnetic nut drivers and a bit extension that fits all these little bits, and then you have a lot of 2-inch bits in it as well. So quite the deal. If you're to buy these individually, you know, you're gonna pay $3 a piece maybe for them. So if you add that up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, that's $21 right there, and you're paying $17.98. So you can see the value in that. I'm not trying to sell you guys this stuff. I'm not getting paid to do that. I'm just telling you, I think it's a deal. Not a bad price for a starter socket set. We have a similar kit like this. It's a few more pieces in it, but for $70, it's not a bad price. Just depends what you need. If you need open-end wrenches, ours has open-end wrenches in it. This one doesn't. So ours is a little bit more of a complete kit. We'll see if we can find something a little bit better for the price. If you need an inexpensive set of drills, like an impact and a driver drill, $99. You get a combo kit, impact driver and a drill for 99 bucks. You get 2 batteries and a charger. Not a bad price. You can get a little bit better set, a brushless set with a little bit better battery for $129, and you get a free battery. Ooh wee. Here's one of the items last week that I was like, man, that's a deal. It's one of the best deals here, but it's not the best. The best one, I think, I'm gonna save for last. But this one right here, these Craftsman oscillating blades, 3-piece set, $12.98. You know, you're paying $4.30 a piece for your blades. That's a pretty sweet deal. They're gone. They were almost gone last week, but there is none left. I've looked. I looked through both sides of this display, tried to find them. They're nowhere to be found. So maybe your local Lowe's will have it though. Just gotta go check it out. I don't know if these deals are online either. They have the same display over here, and it's nothing but oscillating sanding discs. So if you need those, 13 bucks, come get them. So one thing I saw the last time I was in here, these are Arctic line cold weather gloves. I think I'm gonna try a pair of these. The one thing that I always have a problem with is when I put these on and you work in them all day and your hands sweat or you get wet or whatever, the liners want to pull out of the glove and then they're hard to push back in. So then I usually throw them away. So if we could find a set, these are $13.98. Yeah, they cost more, but if you have to work outdoors like we do and it's raining and icy and cold, these gloves might be a really good option for you if you're thinking about just trying to keep your hands so you can feel them. Like usually when I'm out in the weather and it's really cold, 30 degrees, I can't feel my fingers. So having gloves like this are kind of nice. And for that price, I think it's worth it. How's it going? Good, good. DECKCKS. There it is. Subscribe. All right, we got another subscriber, Cal.
So I'm on YouTube now.
You're on YouTube now. Yeah, congratulations. All right, guys, so I came over here. This is a more spendy item, but it's kind of cool. They're ratcheting wrenches. So this side of the wrench is like a socket or a ratchet, and it works just like a ratchet. And it also has an open end side as well. So it's a combo wrench. There's SAE standard and metric, okay? And these are really cool because I have a bunch of these too. I'm thinking about getting a kit of these for our job site though, because the client just pulled some of these out when I was working on my mini skid steer. The battery went bad and I had to take these wrenches, and it really made it convenient for me I was limited in space, so I was able to just ratchet it out. For $59.98, it's $40 off. Those wrenches aren't cheap, but they're invaluable when you need them. When you have the right tool for the right time, it's always a good feeling. All right, let's go around the corner here. 12-piece oscillating blades. The thing I don't care about, like kits like this, you get a scraper. I have 100 of these, I don't really need any more, and I can use any blade basically like a scraper. So you're kind of forced to buy what they're giving you. So maybe this is a deal for you if you use everything. Maybe it's not if you don't, but it's $30. 12 blades is 30 bucks. There's only a few left though, so I suppose people are thinking that's probably a deal. Another thing that I thought was kind of a good deal was these Kobalt adjustable groove joint pliers. And there's 3 different sizes, and we use these all the time. You always need pliers and things of that nature. So for $15.98, you know, you're paying a little over $5 a piece for them. They're cheap. That's just quick and dirty, man. In my opinion, it's easy to do. And then right here, I thought this was kind of a cool thing. And you know what? People must be buying these. There was a whole stack of these the other day. People must be buying these as gifts for people because it's a speaker and a cooler. So you can put your beer in there, your pop, drinks, whatever, and rock out at the same time. Kind of a neat concept. I think people are buying it. There's only 4 of these left. They're only 50 bucks. That's a great gift for somebody that you don't know what to get. Get them one of these. That's easy. It's only 50 bucks, and you can rock out and get drunk at the same time. What do you think of that?
Not on the job though.
Okay, so looks like you have a couple different choices here for the same price. You get a 12-in-1 screwdriver or a 24-in-1 screwdriver with precision. I don't know which one I would choose. Oh, they both have the bits in the handle, which is kind of cool. And they're both $14.98. Your choice. I don't know what this 2x means. 2 times faster than standard ratcheting. Interesting. Those are good stocking stuffers for $15. I wouldn't mind finding one of those in my stocking. That leads me to my #1 tool selection at Lowe's Holiday Deals 2023. You can get 2 Marathon 24-tooth Irwin blades, 7¼ inch. These are demo blades, beater blades. But how can you go wrong at $4.99? $4.99. You're paying $2.50 a piece for these, man. You can run them in concrete and not give a crap and just throw them away, throw on another one and finish your line. Not really, but for deck demos and things like that, you don't want to put a blade on that you care about when you're doing demolition. You just want to grab some of these. I'm gonna buy 10 of these, and I have 20 blades, and I'm ready for demo for 2024. That's my top pick for the Lowe's Holiday Deals. Thank you so much for watching this video. If I did all right, comment below. But before you do that, click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Leave me a comment below about this video, guys, and thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Have a great day.